In this video, I'll show you how to fix microphone not working on Discord. Now what you want to try is come down here, head into your voice and video. In here, make sure your input device is your default device. Make sure it's turned all the way up. And what you can do is you can press let's check. And when you talk, if there's some bars popping up and down, that means Discord is detecting your voice, which is perfect. Now, if there's nothing popping up and down after you click let's check, what we want to do is show some settings real quick. Now make sure you have voice activity on and not push to talk, unless you hold down the key that you chose on push to talk. Now after we've done this, if you don't see the bars going up after pressing here, what we want to do is right click on our speakers, go to sounds, recording, find our microphone, and as you can see when I'm talking this little bar is moving, which means this is my correct device. So let's say it was this one and not this one. What I would do was I would right click on it or simply just press set default down here. As you can see, this is my default device. So make sure the one that's moving is your default device. If none of them is moving, it might indicate that you haven't plugged them in correctly in your computer, or maybe you didn't install the software for that one. So I have the Yeti Classic, which means I need to download the software for the Yeti Classic. Just Google Yeti Classic software and you can download it. Now, once you've set default, the one that's moving here, what you want to do is right click on it, properties. In here, you want to choose levels and make sure it's turned up and not on 0. Another thing you can do is come down here, go to open sound settings. Under Windows 11, it's called volume, I think. And in here, you want to scroll down and find app volume. Now in here, what you want to do is make sure Discord has the correct microphone here. So make sure you choose the correct one and make sure it's enabled. As well as up here, make sure input is your microphone. After that, what you want to do is come down here and search for microphone, privacy settings. Make sure allow apps is on and make sure allow desktop apps is also on. As you can see, Discord is in here and it says currently in use. So make sure you enable both of those. Now, if it still doesn't work once you've done this, what you can do is come down here and search for device manager, open it up, find audio inputs and outputs, and you can simply right click on your microphone and update the driver. You can also right click disable and right click enable just to quickly disable and enable it, which might also fix the issue. Now, as a last resort, what we can do is search for troubleshoot, open it up, additional troubleshooters. In here, we want to find our microphone. So come down to recording audio and run the troubleshooter. Now, I really hope any of these helped fix the issue. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.